Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a vital topic that impacts 2.5 billion users worldwide: Gmail security warnings in light of a confirmed AI hack. Get ready for an important conversation on online safety that you definitely don't want to miss out on. Gmail, as one of the most widespread email services, plays a crucial role in our digital lives. But with the increasing sophistication of cyber threats, the need to be aware and prepared is more critical than ever. Recently, a new AI-driven hacking technique has been discovered that targets Gmail users' security. This hacking method utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to breach user accounts, posing a significant risk to privacy and sensitive information. So, what does this mean for you as a Gmail user? It means staying vigilant and informed is now more essential than ever. Understanding these threats and knowing how to respond can make a huge difference in protecting your personal data. That's why we're here to provide you with essential tips and actions you can take to safeguard your account. From recognizing phishing attempts to setting up two-factor authentication, taking proactive steps can significantly enhance your security. Don't let your guard down. Stay informed to prevent unauthorized access and keep your information secure. Thank you for joining us today and commit to strengthening your online defenses.